You think humans are impressive? We built skyscrapers, invented the internet, and figured out how to put cheese inside a pizza crust. And yet, the animal kingdom has been quietly out-engineering us for millions of years. 5 facts, 5 animals, and 1 long, slow roast of the entire human species. Let's get into it. Fact number 1. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, and the 3rd pumps oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body. Meanwhile, you have 1 heart, and treat it like a burden every time someone suggests the stairs. That main heart actually stops beating when the octopus swims, which is exactly why octopuses prefer crawling. An animal with 3 hearts finds swimming exhausting and simply decides not to do it. Relatable. But the real kicker is the blood. Octopuses use a copper-based protein called hemocyanin instead of our iron-based hemoglobin, and where our blood runs red, theirs runs blue. Blue blood. 3 hearts. A commute preference involving crawling. Humans are out here thinking we're the sophisticated ones. But if you thought the octopus was the only one making us look basic, buckle up, because a sleepy little marsupial is about to ruin your sense of identity. Koalas have fingerprints so similar to humans that forensic experts can struggle to tell them apart. The swirls, loops, and whirls look almost identical to ours, down to the microscopic details. If a koala walked through a crime scene, an investigator could easily mistake its print for a human's. Their evolutionary path split from ours around 70 to 80 million years ago, long before the first human ancestors appeared. Yet independently, they developed the exact same fingerprints, almost certainly because gripping eucalyptus branches to eat requires the same solution. The koala didn't copy us. It just arrived at the same answer while sleeping 20 hours a day. The audacity. Speaking of seeing things differently, here's a question for you. If you could instantly upgrade 1 human sense, would you pick vision or hearing? Comment your answer below. Fact number 3. The mantis shrimp. This crustacean looks like someone tie-dyed a lobster, and its eyes are science fiction. Humans have 3 types of color receptors. Mantis shrimp have at least 12, several tuned to ultraviolet wavelengths that lie entirely outside human perception. You think you're watching a beautiful sunset. The mantis shrimp is seeing a light show you don't have the hardware to process. Each eye can judge depth independently, and they can even detect circularly polarized light that no other animal perceives. We built telescopes to see what our eyes can't. The mantis shrimp just evolved them into its face. Efficiency. Now, from the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom to the most mind-bending bathroom in nature. Fact number 4. Wombats produce perfectly cube-shaped poop, not roughly square, geometrically cubic. Inside a wombat's digestive tract, 2 distinct tissue types, one stiff, one flexible, mold the droppings into cubes. Why? Wombats stack their cubic poop near landmarks to create communal latrines, sharing information via feces. The square shape keeps the messages from rolling away. The wombat engineered a cube so its communications wouldn't fall off a rock. Meanwhile, the most sophisticated system humans ever built requires a satellite, a data plan, and 3 bars of signal. The wombat is doing geometry with its gut, and we're paying $40 a month for Wi-Fi. And finally, the creature that makes every one of us look like a fragile little snowflake. Tardigrades, water bears, are microscopic and basically indestructible. They can be frozen, heated past boiling, completely dried out, exposed to the vacuum of space, and bombarded with extreme radiation. Their trick is cryptobiosis. When conditions get too harsh, they curl into a ball called a ton, shut their body down almost completely, and wait for years until things improve. Decades without food or water. Humans complain about being hungry 2 hours after lunch. The tardigrade switches itself off like a phone in airplane mode and waits out the apocalypse. It has survived conditions that would wipe out virtually every other living thing on Earth, and it looks like a chubby little gummy bear while doing it. 5 animals out here thriving with 3 hearts, matching our fingerprints from 70 million years away, seeing colors we can't dream of, engineering cube-shaped messages, and shrugging off the vacuum of space, all while we call ourselves the dominant species. The animal kingdom doesn't argue with us. It just keeps being incredible quietly, without needing our approval. If this video made you feel a little humbled, good. That was the point. Drop a like, subscribe so you don't miss the next time nature roasts us, and I'll see you in the next one.